Hey y'all, join Jimmy and me as we show you how to make a breakfast sausage bread. Y'all, this is delicious, so let's get cooking. To get started, we're going to be using 8 frozen Swaggerty's spicy sausage patties. That was a tongue twister. So we're just putting them in the pan and we're going to get them thawed out, browned, and also crumbled. Now to help thaw the sausage patties, Jimmy placed tinfoil over the pan. You can use a lid if you would like to. Jimmy just didn't feel like getting the lid dirty and us having to wash it, so tinfoil is the next best thing. So to the sausage, the only seasoning Jimmy's gonna add is pepper. We're not gonna add any salt because sausage is already salty, but along with the pepper, we're gonna be adding accent, and accent is a flavor enhancer. It's also known as MSG. Now, before you freak out that we are using MSG, y'all, it's already in a lot of the foods that you eat and you don't even realize it. And according to several articles I've read, the myths of MSG being really bad for you have been debunked, so we love it. We're still alive. Everything's good, so we're using it. To the sausage now, we're going to be adding in 1/4 of a block of cream cheese. Now, Jimmy began with 1/8 of a block, but I later told him that it looks like we need a little bit more, so 1/4 of the block of cream cheese ended up being perfect. So now that the cream cheese has been added, Jimmy's going to cover it again with tinfoil. This is going to help the cream cheese melt. And after it's kind of melty, Jimmy's going to stir the cream cheese in with the sausage. Now, when we cook our sausage, Jimmy and I like what's called the Maillard effect. It's when your meat gets a little bit of crust on the outside. So you cook your meat for as long as you would like, but we like ours, like I said, with a little bit of crust. And the texture that the meat has with the softness of the bread just goes really, really well together. So once the sausage is done, Jimmy's going to take it out and put it into a separate bowl. And this serves 2 purposes. It's first going to help us separate it from the grease because you don't want all that grease in your bread. And then 2, it's going to help it cool off as well. Do those things scare you?
They can sometimes, like a bomb go off.
Oh, you didn't jump. All right, I hate opening up those cans. So we are using a Pillsbury pizza dough, and Jimmy's just going to spray some tinfoil very lightly, and you're going to want to spread this out over your tinfoil. Now it's time to add the sausage. Now, I told Jimmy, I said it would have been really, really nice to first spread some cream cheese on the dough, but maybe we'll do that next time. So we're just gonna take the sausage and spread it around on top of the pizza dough and leave a little room around the edges so that the sausage doesn't fall out when you roll it up. top of the sausage, Jimmy's going to add some mozzarella cheese. And he uses about 1/4 cup of cheese, but the amount of cheese that you use is totally up to you. So now that Jimmy is done with the cheese, he's going to roll the dough into a log. And you want to roll it tightly. And when you're done rolling, you want to make sure that you put it seam side down, so that way it doesn't pop open as it's baking. So now that the dough has been rolled, Jimmy's going to apply an egg wash to the top and to the sides. On top of the egg wash, Jimmy's going to add just a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Alright y'all, this breakfast sausage bread is ready to go into a preheated 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Now y'all, take a look at this. I wish y'all could smell it. It smells amazing. It is now time to slice into this. So we're gonna cut a big piece off the end because the end piece doesn't have as much sausage as the other pieces do. So for the other pieces, we're gonna cut them about 1/2 inch thick. That's not what you said the other day. No, I'm just kidding. That's good. That's like the perfect amount too. To be honest, I didn't think there was gonna be enough cream cheese. I didn't think that was enough cream cheese or sausage. But that's really good.
Do you like it?
Yeah, I'm trying to be like Food Network people. How would you describe this? It's doughy, sausagey, cheesy. Oh yeah, I was gonna say, wait, you forgot to put the mozzarella in, but no you didn't. It's really good. You wanna try it?
I'll try some.
Yeah.
This would be really good with gravy.
Ooh. Well, we got some grease.
Yeah, thumbs up. Good breakfast.
Good job, Jimmy.
Thank you.
All right, y'all, so we went from that huge loaf and now we're down to that. I had 3 pieces, Jimmy had 3 pieces, and even Millie had 3 pieces. And if Millie likes it, that means it what?
It's good.
Must be good. Well, thank you for joining us today, and I really hope y'all give this breakfast sausage bread a try. You will not be disappointed. All right, see you in the next video.